Hi guys! Do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go! Blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color. A for angel. A for angel. B for beer. B for beer. C for cat. C for cat. D for desk. D for desk. E for elf. E for elf. F for flower. F for flower. G for grandmother. G for grandmother. H for hotel. H for hotel. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for jelly. J for jelly. K for kitchen. K for kitchen. L for line. L for line. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for night. N for night. O for orange. O for orange. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, light pink color, dark green color. Red color, watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Orange color. Orange is orange color. Green color. Pear is green color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow color. Red color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red color. Pink color. Pineapple. Pineapple is pink color. Red color. Apple. Apple is red color. Green color. Lemon. Lemon is green color. Watermelon, orange, pear, cherry, banana, strawberry, pineapple, apple, lemon. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.